If you don't know anything about cleaning sneakers, one thing you should know is that everything starts from the bottom. Start from the bottom, just like your boy Drake did.
Started from the bottom.
When we clean sneakers, everything starts from the bottom. You want to make sure that you take care of the soles first to prevent dirt from the bottom soles running onto the uppers. It's the order of operations, guys. Tools we're going to be needing today is our new sole brush, our new eraser sponge, our new nylon scrub, a pick for the soles, and of course, the Nu Antidote. And if you really want to be detailed, get you a bottle of water too, high quality H2O. And make sure that you have a container to hold some hot water. Hot water is going to be great for cleaning. Not warm, but hot as you can tolerate. But before we get into action, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share this video with anyone out there committing suicide. Whenever you're cleaning a sneaker, the number one priority is to protect the shoe. We want to begin with the bottom soles, and we want to prevent any of the dirt from the bottom soles running onto the uppers. Look how clean these uppers are. Look how dirty this bottom is. If you get any of this dirt in the uppers, you're basically going to damage it, or you're going to alter it into a place where it's going to be hard to get back to that OG. So we're going to take this microfiber towel, NuLife microfiber, and then we're going to fold it in thirds, just 1/3 of it. And we're going to make sure that we create that double layer of penetration so that water doesn't run straight through. Once I flip that sneaker, I'm going to begin more so at the halfway mark. This sneaker is kind of small, so I can pretty much wrap the whole shoe, but you want to clean the sneaker in thirds or in halves, one half and the other half. Just from this point here, I got the whole sneaker protected from here, and then I also have at least 75% of the shoe protected here. We're going to focus here on this front half of the sneaker, cleaning this front half, and then we're going to rotate it and clean the back half. Before I spray the Nu Antidote, I want to make sure that I pick out any rocks or anything that may be just stuck into the bottom of the soles. We're going to be cleaning the bottom soles using the Nu Antidote. The Nu Antidote is a cleaner and oxidation reversal solution. It's good for rubbers, leathers, plastics, microfiber, mesh, canvas, anything other than suede and nubuck. Again, want to make sure that the towel is securely wrapped around the sneaker. Make sure that you pull tight so that there isn't any microscopic cracks that the water can actually leak through. All right, got the solution. Shook it up one more time. Couple of sprays. Gonna bring in our bucket of water, and then we're gonna begin cleaning. If you allow for a few seconds for the solution to penetrate that dirt, it'll be a little bit easier for you to actually remove heavy dirt buildup. But these really weren't worn that hard and that often, so the dirt is gonna fall right off. All right, guys, after using those 3 tools and the Nu Antidote, you can see the drastic difference in dirt removal. I'm gonna go back in and do a little bit of detailed cleaning in some of these areas, but you can see we knocked off the majority of the dirt. The little bit of dirt that you may see or the residue that may be left behind may need to be removed using UV light. So make sure that you use the sunlight or your UV box to fully reverse the discoloration and oxidation on the bottom sole. Let's continue. All right, guys, you can see this small, faint shadow of dirt. This right here, you're gonna need the new eraser sponge to knock it off. It's gonna give you a super duper close clean. Make sure you dip it in water first and then hit it with a little bit of Nu Antidote. It doesn't need to be runny, or it doesn't need to be runny at all. Just make sure you got the solution inside the sponge. And then you just lightly brush. Now that we've cleaned the bottom sole, in order to maximize your results, we suggest that you put the sneaker in UV light. You can use the sun or you can use your reversal oxidation system. Either one, UV light is gonna maximize your results and reverse oxidation, as well as disinfect microscopic bacteria or fungus that may be on your sneakers.